In this video, we listed the 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BOSTITCH Brad Nailer. The brad nailer with SmartPoint technology offers precise and easy nail placement thanks to a smaller nose design, eliminating the need to compress the contact trip. This 18-gauge brad nailer is capable of driving nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 to 1/8 inch in length. Its oil-free operation minimizes the risk of oil stains, while a tool-free jam release mechanism ensures hassle-free nail removal. The dial depth control allows for accurate countersinking, and the selectable trigger system provides the option for sequential or contact operation. Additional features include a rear air exhaust, a belt hook with an integrated pencil sharpener, and it comes as a complete kit with a nailer, a 1/4 inch air fitting, carrying case, and extra no-mar tips. Number 2. DEWALT Brad Nailer. The brad nailer kit is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for efficient and precise nailing tasks. It features a long-life, maintenance-free motor to prevent work surface staining and a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for accurate nail head settings. The tool-free jam release mechanism ensures easy nail removal, while the rear exhaust keeps contaminants away from the workspace. This nailer drives 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 inches in length and includes an adjustable belt hook for convenient access. Additional features include a removable non-marring nose tip with on-tool storage, an integrated rubber grip for enhanced comfort, and a sequential style trigger for controlled operation. The kit comes complete with a carrying case and an owner's manual for added convenience. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Brad Nailer. This tool is a 100% battery-powered device designed to eliminate the need for gas, compressors, and hoses, offering convenience and portability. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures maximum runtime and durability. Its micro nose enhances line of sight and nail placement accuracy, while the tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise countersinking. It features a tool-free jam release for quick clearing of nail jams and an integrated stall release lever to reset the driver blade easily in case of a stall. Multifunctional LED lights provide workspace illumination and tool diagnostics. Additionally, it offers a tool-free selectable trigger for switching between sequential and contact actuation modes. The adjustable belt hook accommodates left or right attachment based on user preference, and the low nail lockout prevents dry firing and avoids marking the work material. Number 4. NEU Master Brad Nailer. The NEU Master Pneumatic 2-in-1 nail staple gun is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for various woodworking and DIY projects. This modern, lightweight nail gun operates manually and requires an air compressor, not included, with a pressure range of 70 to 120 psi. It drives 18-gauge brad nails, 5/8 inch to 2 inches, and a 1/4 inch crown staples, 5/8 inch to 1 and 5/8 inches. The tool features multiple tool-free settings, including a 360 degrees rotatable exhaust, quick jam clearing, a sequential trigger, and a view window to prevent dry fire dents. The ergonomic rubber grip ensures comfortable use, while its durable design enhances portability and longevity. The package includes 1,000 fasteners, nails and staples, a carrying case, safety glasses, lubricating oil, and Allen wrenches. Ideal for applications like flooring, molding, roofing, upholstery, and furniture building, this nail gun comes with a 2-year replacement service for added peace of mind. Number 5. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer. The Metabo HPT 18-gauge brad nailer is a versatile and precision-focused tool designed for trim work, furniture building, and finishing applications, catering to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It can accommodate 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 in length and features a selective actuation switch for seamless switching between bump fire and sequential fire modes. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, this lightweight and ergonomic brad nailer is easy to handle for extended use and includes a no-mar tip to protect work surfaces. Its tool-less depth adjustment ensures a professional finish, while the reload indicator prevents blank drives by alerting users when nails are low. The nailer also boasts a 360-degree adjustable exhaust to keep debris away and an easy-to-clear nose for quick jam removal. Backed by a 5-year warranty and recognized as Pro Preferred for nailers for 10 consecutive years, this Japanese-engineered tool combines durability, efficiency, and reliability, making it an ideal choice for demanding projects.